In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the advanced Spatial Search Tools within the Search widget. Refresh the page. Close all the widgets. Open the Search widget. Hover your mouse over the fourth tab on the Search widget. This is your Spatial Search tab. Click to open it. These Spatial Search Tools allow you to buffer your search results, and then find entities that fall within this buffer, or intersect it. Before you can apply any of these Spatial Search Tools, you must have something selected to buffer. Hover your mouse over the fifth tab on the Search widget. This is your Results tab. It is empty. There are no results to buffer. Open your Spatial Search tab. Click on the Apply Buffer tool. The error message indicates that you must select something first, by means of a graphical or text search. You are going to select a zip code via text search. Open the Text Search tab. Select zip codes from the drop-down list. Copy and paste the example value 85035. Press Search. One result is found. Click on the result to zoom to zip code 85035. You are going to find all the libraries that fall within this zip code. Open the Spatial Search tab. Click on the down arrow and select Libraries. Hover your mouse over the first tool on the bottom row. This tool finds all entities that are entirely contained in the search results. Click on it. The results page shows one library within zip code 85035. You are now going to draw a 1-mile buffer around this library and find all the schools that fall within this buffer zone. Click on the Spatial Search tab. Enter a search distance of 1 mile. Click on the Apply Buffer tool. Click on the down arrow and select Schools. Click on the Entirely Contained in tool. The results page shows that there are 4 schools within 1 mile from this library. Next, you are going to draw a 2-mile buffer around these schools and find all the fire stations that fall within this buffer zone. Click on the Spatial Search tab. Set your search distance to 2 miles. Click on the Apply Buffer tool. Click on the down arrow and select Fire Department. Click on the Entirely Contained in tool. The results page shows that there are 3 fire departments. Next, you are going to find all the hospitals that fall within 3 miles of these fire departments. Click on the Spatial Search tab. Enter a search distance of 3 miles. Click on the Apply Buffer tool. Click on the down arrow and select Healthcare. Click on the Entirely Contained in tool. 4 hospitals are found. As you can see, the Spatial Search Tools offer an elegant way to buffer your search results and find other entities that fall within this buffer zone. Press Clear. Next, you will perform a graphical search to locate the census block group your address falls upon, and then use the Spatial Search Tools to find what lies in the vicinity. Open the Find an Address widget and enter 1350 West Van Buren Street, 85007. Press Locate. Open the Graphical Search tab. Click on the down arrow and select Census Groups. Activate the Select by Point tool and click to add a point on top of your building. Open the Spatial Search tab. Enter a search distance of 50 feet. Click on the Apply Buffer tool. A 50 feet buffer is drawn around the selected census block group. Click on the down arrow, and select Fire Department. Click on the entirely contained in tool. There is one fire department within this buffer zone. Open the Spatial Search tab. Select Other Government Buildings. Click on the entirely contained in tool. There are 3 within this buffer zone. Open the Spatial Search tab. Select Broadband Providers. Important tip: do not click on the entirely contained in tool. Broadband footprints extend way beyond the buffer zone you have created. What you want is to find all the broadband footprints that are intersected by this buffer zone. Hover your mouse over the second tool on the bottom row. This will find all the broadband footprints intersected by your buffer zone. Click on it. The results page shows 27 broadband providers within this buffer zone. Open the Spatial Search tab. Select Elementary School Districts. As before, do not use the entirely contained in tool. The elementary school districts extend beyond your buffer. Click on the Intersected by tool. The results page brings up Phoenix Elementary District. Click on the Zoom button to view the extents. It is a lot larger than your blue buffer. Open the Spatial Search tab. Apply a 50 feet buffer around this elementary school district. Click on the down arrow and select Schools. This time, use the entirely contained in tool. There are 22 schools within this elementary school district. Open the Spatial Search tab. Click on the down arrow and select Colleges and Universities. Click on the entirely contained in tool. There are 4 colleges and universities within this elementary school district. Proceed to Part 2 to learn more about spatial searches.